With great pride and satisfaction, I call myself a teacher. I pledge my dedication to my vocation. I pledge to make full use of my skills and talents in order to offer the best instruction of which I am capable. I promise never to stop learning, for a teacher should always remain a learner too. When I make a mistake, I promise to correct it and learn from it. I will never ask more of others than I ask of myself. I will exercise patience and tolerance in my classroom, be it traditional or virtual, and I will foster a supportive environment for all my learners. I declare my passion for my profession. But if burdens ever become too great and affect my desire or ability to teach, I will step out of the classroom and rest as needed so that I can return to my students and offer the instruction they deserve. So help me God. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.